So students, in the previous lecture, we learned about multiplication of the matrix. So now we see the example on multiplication of matrix. If A is equal to 4, 3, 2, 5, find A square minus 9A plus 14I, where I is a unit matrix. So in this case, first we see A square, that is A into A, not the square of the matrix. We write down A into A, that is the matrix 4, 3, 2, 5 into again matrix 4, 3, 2, 5. Now in case of multiplication, what we see, we concentrate on the order of the matrix. So when the multiplication is possible, the order of the column of first matrix is matched with the order of the row of the another matrix. So here this is the order of column matrix and this is the order of the row matrix. So in this case, how you take the multiplication? This is the first row with first column and then again this first row with second column. जब तक column end नहीं होते तब तक multiplication continue करते. So 4 into 4 plus 3 into 2. This is the first element. Then again 4 into 3 plus 3 into 5. This is another element. Now take another row and this column. 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2. Then again 2 into 3 plus 5 into. So in such a way we take the multiplication of the two matrix. Now take addition. So this calculation is not necessary. You directly write down 4 into 4 16 plus 3 into 2 6. So here we get 16 plus 6, then 12 plus 15, then 8 plus 10, and then 6 plus 25. So finally we get here the multiplication 22, 27, 18 and 31. So this is value of a square. Now we find a square minus 9a plus 14i. So instead of a square, we write down the value matrix 22, 27, 18, 31 minus 9 into a, that is the matrix A, 9, 4, 3, 2, 5 plus 14i plus 14i. The order of the unit matrix is same. This is 2 by 2, 2 by 2. So here also the unit matrix having order 2. So we write down it is 1, 0, 0, 1. Now take the calculation 22, 27, 18, 31. Keep minus sign as it is and you multiple this 9 inside the matrix. 9 into 4, 36. 9 into 3, 27. 9 into 2, 18. 9 into 5, 45. Now you multiple this 14. 14 into 1, 14. 14 into 0, 0. Again 0. And here it is. Now take subtraction. 22 minus 36, 27 minus 27, 18 minus 18 and 31 minus 45 plus 14 0 0 4. So take the calculation here. 6 minus 2, that is 4. 3 minus 2, that is 1. It is 0. This is 0. And again this is 4 minus 1, that 5 minus 1, that is 4, and 3, 4 minus 3, that is plus, it is 14 0 0 14. So take calculation here. and write down the final answer. Minus 14 plus 14, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, minus 14 plus 14. So finally here we get 0, 0, 0, 0, and this is called null matrix. So now take another example. Find value of x and y if 4 into matrix 1 2 0, 2 minus 1 3, minus 2 into matrix 1 3 minus 1, 2 minus 3 4, and multiple with the matrix 2 0 minus 1 equal to unknown values x y. So here we find out the unknown values of x and y. So from given, so first you take multiplication of 4 with whole matrix, multiplication of 2 with whole matrix. So multiply करो, सबसे पहले 4 से multiply करो. 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 0 is 0, again 4 into 2, then minus 4, and it is 12. Now multiple with 2, 2, 6, minus 2, 2 into 2, 4, minus 6, and here it is 12. Now you combine with one bracket and you write down this matrix as it is and keep this xy as it is. So what we do, we take the multiplication of this 4 with each element of the matrix. Here you keep this negative sign as it is and you multiply this 2 with each element of the matrix. Now take the subtraction. 4 minus 2, that is 2, 8 minus 6, that is again 2, 0 minus minus plus 2, 8 minus 4, that is 4, minus 4 minus minus plus 6, that is 2, and 12 minus 12, that is 0. And here it is multiple with this matrix and keep this xy as it is. Now here the multiplication of these two matrices is possible or not. How can we check it? First you write down the order of this. How many rows are here? 2 rows. How many columns are there? 3 columns. And here how many rows are here? देखो इस तरह से आप देखो तो 3 रो आते हैं और कितने कॉलम है? एक ही कॉलम है. तो in such a way we see here the order of the column of the first matrix is matched with the order of the rows of the another matrix. So that's why the multiplication is possible. Remember here these are 2 row and here we consider only one column. तो एक ही कॉलम के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना होगा आपको. 2 into 2 4 plus 2 into 0 0 plus 2 into minus 1 that is minus 1. अब एक ही कॉलम है इसलिए आपके पास एक ही एलिमेंट रहेगा मैट्रिक्स में. अगर दूसरा कॉलम रहता तो हम और जाते थे, तीसरा कॉलम रहता तो और जाते थे, बट हियर ओनली वन कॉलम इज प्रेजेंट इसलिए यहाँ पे इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन खत्म हो गया. अभी देखते हैं दूसरा रो का कैलकुलेशन. 4 into 2 that is 8 plus 2 into 0 that is 0 and plus 0 into minus 1 that is 0. So here we write down x and y. So finally how you find out the value? 4 minus 1 that is 3, 8 plus 0 that is 8, and here we get x and y. Now equating these two matrix, x is 3, y is 8. So this is the answer. So in this case also we have to find out the values of unknown x, y. So from given, so what they are given, the matrix 1 2 3 2 into x y 3 3 minus 1 2 is equal to 7 0 7 9 4 13. So here also we take the multiplication of these two matrices. So for multiplication we check the order first. 2 by 2 matrix. This is 2 row and how many columns are here? 3 columns. So again we see here the order of the column of the first matrix is matched with the order of the rows of the another matrix. So that's why the multiplication is possible. So how you take the multiplication? This column and this row. 1 into x, that is x. 3 into 2, that is plus 6. 1 into y, दैट इज y, यानी पहले ये कॉलम, उसके बाद ये कॉलम, उसके बाद ये कॉलम। 1 into y, that is y, 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, 1 into 3, that is 3, plus 2 into 2, that is 4. Then again this row and this column, 3 into x, 3x, plus 3 into 2, that is 6, 3 into y, that is 3y, minus 2, 3 into 3, that is 9, plus 2 into 2, that is 4, is equal to 7, 0, 7, 9, 4, 30. So what we get here? X plus 6, y minus 2, 7, 3x plus 6, 3y minus 2, and 30 equal to 7, 0, 7, 9, 4, 30. अब देखो यहाँ पे हमको करना है द मैट्रिक्स इक्वेट करना है। इक्वेट इसलिए करना है क्योंकि हमको चाहिए वैल्यूज ऑफ x एंड y, और x और y वैल्यूज के लिए हमको दो मैट्रिक्स को इक्वेट करना ही है। लेकिन इक्वेट करते समय आपको कंडीशन ध्यान में रखना है कि जिस टर्म में x और y प्रेजेंट है वो टर्म्स को छोड़ के बाकी जिसमें x और y प्रेजेंट नहीं है वो टर्म दूसरे मैट्रिक्स के साथ मैच होना चाहिए। जैसे कि अभी यहाँ पे x प्लस 6 है, नॉट नेसेसरी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक अननोन नंबर मैच होना जरूरी नहीं। y माइनस 2 जो है वो 0 के साथ मैच होना जरूरी नहीं है क्योंकि एक अननोन नंबर y यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है। लेकिन 7 इसके साथ मैच होना बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि इसमें कोई अननोन वैल्यूज नहीं है, जस्ट लाइक x एंड y। इसलिए जो टर्म में x y नहीं है वो बराबर मैच होने चाहिए। जैसे 7 के साथ 7 मैच हो गया और इधर 13 के साथ 13 मैच हो गया। अगर x y को छोड़ के बाकी टर्म अगर मैच होते हैं तो वी हैव टू से दैट इट इज अ इक्वल मैट्रिक्स एंड वी हैव टू इक्वेट इट। नाउ equate both the matrix। तो इक्वेट करते समय आप कोई भी एक x प्लस 6 जो है आप 7 के साथ इक्वेट करो और y माइनस 2 है आप 0 के साथ इक्वेट करो। अगर आप ये भी इक्वेट करते हैं देन आल्सो यू गॉट द सेम वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड y। कोई भी इक्वेशन अगर आप इक्वेट करते हैं तो आपको x और y का वैल्यू सेम मिलना चाहिए। जैसे कि मैं अभी यहाँ पे लेता हूँ x प्लस 6 इक्वल टू 7, तो इसका मतलब है x इज इक्वल टू 7 माइनस 6, दैट इज 1, एंड सेकेंड इज y माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0, दैट इज y इज इक्वल टू 2। तो इस तरह से हमने x का वैल्यू 1 निकाला है और y का वैल्यू 2 फाइंड आउट करते हैं। इफ यू टेक अगेन 3x plus c is equal to 9, definitely you will get the value of x is 1, and if you take 3y minus 2 equal to 4, that time also you get the value of y is 2. Okay, so this is the answer.